Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 501, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to turn off your device by holding the power button and selecting power off. Now I'll also mention you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock, which you can also turn off the device if it's on a lock screen, and you shouldn't be required to confirm any kind of screen lock. If it does, you can always just pop out the battery. Once the device is off, hold power button and volume up at the same time, and when you see TCL logo, let go of the power button. From here, you're using volume buttons, up and down, you can use both of them. You want to scroll and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then confirm it using your power button. Next, select Factory Data Reset, confirm that, and at the bottom you'll see Formatting Data and then Data Wipe Complete, at which point Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power button once more to initiate the reboot. Now, the device is now going to be continuing the resetting of itself in the background, so it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up than it normally does to power on. This will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.